Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. I am very excited because I am in my kitchen and I have the June Joyful Jordan box to share with you today. So welcome to my kitchen. The Joyful Jordan box is a monthly surprise box from Jordan Essentials, which is a company out of Nixa, Missouri. They focus on healthy skin, healthy life products. Everything is non-toxic, botanically based. These subscription boxes are a little box of joy. And without further ado, we will jump right in. As a Jordan Essentials consultant, I have the opportunity to earn this box. And it's so cute when you open it, it says, "Hey there, I can earn it early and free if I have at least $500 in sales by the 15th of the month." So in May, thank you to all my customers who helped me earn the June Joyful Jordan box. And without further ado, let's take a look. So you can see this little box of awesomeness is filled with all kinds of goodies for your skin, for your family, for your home. And usually there is at least one or two items that are exclusive to the box. This month, all three items are exclusive. You can only get them in the June Joyful Jordan box for 2021. And it says on the card, "May the sweetness of summer be filled with sunshine, laughter, and new memories to cheer your soul." And that's a quote from Nancy Bogart, and it's referencing Proverbs 27:9. So this box is valued at $35 and it's $25 to purchase each month. If you subscribe, then the shipping is free when the box gets sent to you each month, or you can just purchase it one time or multiple times if you want to stock up. So the wonderful products we have are in this really great scent, which is a raspberry lemonade. This is a new scent. We've never had it before. I will tell you, I took a sneak peek and sampled the scent, and I absolutely love it. It's fresh, it's light, it's summery. It reminds me of my favorite lemonade, and it's a great collection of wonderful products for your body. If you want to use all three, you certainly can, but it's also something nice. You could break these up into some smaller gifts. So the first item we have is the body polish, and this is like our shower gel, but it also has some extra exfoliating ingredients like crushed walnut shells and jojoba beads. And so it says, "Exfoliate away the winter and enjoy refreshing, beautifully polished skin." So I like to use things like this before I shave my legs to make sure I get a nice close shave. Or if you have some of that dry skin on your arms or legs where you feel like you kind of have alligator skin, then this is a really nice product to use first before you moisturize and get rid of some of that dead skin. And as always, we have a whole list of ingredients we never use, and this just shows you on the side. Things like no mineral oil, no sulfates, no isopropyl alcohol. Everything is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and aluminum-free. So we take out all the bad stuff and only keep the good stuff. And it says we put in all the right ingredients to empower your family with healthy, natural products that are always non-toxic, and we leave out all the ingredients that are wrong for your families and wrong for our planet. And of course, made in the USA. So that's the first item, the body polish in that lovely raspberry lemonade scent. Next, we have the Shea Body Butter. And the Shea Body Butter, we do have Shea Body Butter in our regular catalog line, but not in this wonderful raspberry lemonade scent. Shea Butter helps eliminate dry, ashy, and damaged skin while moisturizing. And the raspberry lemonade scent makes it a perfect summer butter. And I would totally agree with that. This will be a nice one just to keep in my purse and have on the go. Or you could also keep it in your bathroom. So after your shower, you can moisturize your arms and legs. Same thing, no harmful ingredients. It has things like shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and lots of other healthy emollient ingredients. So I love our Shea Body Butter, and I'm excited to have this fun scent for the summer to be using. And the final ingredient, which I'm also very excited about, is a lip butter. So we have a Shea lip butter that is in a cherry scent in our regular catalog, and it comes in a little pot. But this is in a tube, and it of course is that raspberry lemonade scent. Soothe those summer lips with emollient butter, moisturize, and offer all over lip care. And I will definitely say our Shea lip butter is really emollient. It's smooth, it glides on silky smooth and soft and leaves my lips moisturized and protected, and it's a wonderful treat. So again, I'm excited to have it in this fun raspberry lemonade scent. So as you can see, 3 wonderful ingredients in your June Joyful Jordan box. And like I said, the box is $25. I will link below my web store where you can purchase it, or if you have any questions or need help, just let me know. Other than that, thanks for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful summer, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.